Have you ever wanted to design and give your room a little bit better look? Now, we're going to set these up. These are our little panels that actually go into the wall. I'm still working on this room. If you guys notice, it's a little dirty right now. We're still fixing a couple things. But today I got these and we're going to set these up right now. These are we're going to try out 4 different corners right now. And we're going to extend as much as we can because we still have to paint. We still have to do a lot more work. This is where I have my projector screen and other stuff. So I wanted to see how far I could extend it. We're going to try it out. We're going to start from that corner all the way here. And then we're going to set it up to see how it looks. So let's go ahead and do that. You don't have to nail anything in. They pretty much have adhesive, if you guys can see that. And I'm going to show you guys. And these are like a plastic or kind of like a middle foam plastic, but they're pretty durable, you know. So they're filled with foam, so they're light. And you can put them on the overhead. You don't have to worry about falling. So we're going to set these up right now. Major corner first here. And this part right here. Extend it all the way out. Oh, by the way, it comes with instructions in here. Step by step, they give you a guide. So I'm going to start with the bottom. Like it shows the picture of the bottom. And then the tops go, all right? So we're going to start with the 2 bottoms first. Stretch them out. And see how they look. They're very important. I had to cut this one right here. Because my wall's uneven, all right? And I had to cut a piece with the X-Acto knife, and I used a edge too. Very simple. Just cut it out and remove it. Very simple. Now it's even. Just finished it. It looks beautiful. I'm still going to sand some of the corners here that I have edges. But this thing came out beautiful. Now, I did have to cut here in this edge, but it was not that bad. But once it sticks together, it looks beautiful. I'm going to put the last part of it, which is the molding on the top. Just remember that it falls in here. See how it falls? The lip cuts in here. Right, there's the final product right now. I have to cut some of the edges out. I had to trim, had to take it out. So if you guys can see, my drywall came off a little bit, but these are good mistakes. Don't worry about it. We're just going to clean it up, but it looks great. So if you're looking for something to create in your office or maybe remodel some places, and you could trim this down. It doesn't have to be this size. You could trim it down even lower, but I choose this size, but it looks great. So if you guys are looking for something simple, easy to install, hope you guys enjoy the video.